Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today to share with you a Tuesday morning haul. I finally found some goodies at Tuesday morning and I wanted to come on and share with you what I found. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. I'm really excited to have finally found this die. This is from the Richard Garay Noteworthy collection. It is an envelope die and it creates I believe it's a 5x5 size envelope. And it even comes with these two little pieces right here, so you can create the little policy binding, the closing like that on the back. Super excited about that. There is the SKU number in case you want to try to find it. I did cut it out, so let me show you what it looks like. I made this envelope and I just decorated the front of it and I thought it came out super cute. And then this is the back. So you see how you can create that little closure right there. And I kind of messed up. I should have made the closure a little bit further apart, but I think that's okay. I mean, this was the first one I made, so it's fine. I'm just gonna keep it as is and I will gift it to somebody. But I think this is a super cute envelope die and I'm looking forward to playing with this. So really excited about that die right there. All right, moving along, I did find some Snow and Coco tassels, and they look like they're made out of some type of, looks like felt. They look like felt tassels, I couldn't think. Super cute. I did find a bow bunny die and it looks like this. It's like one of those little, it's a picture wheel. So super cute, can't wait to play with that. I did find the My Mind's Eye On Trend 2 ephemera pack, and if you've been watching my channel for some time, maybe it was a year or two ago, I was on a design team and I remember creating projects with this paper line and it's super cute. I'll try and link that video if I can find it for you guys, but I remember playing with this and making, I think, a really cute flip book with this. But I picked it up because it was only $1.49 and there's a lot of gold pieces in here and just a lot of ephemera pieces that I can use with other paper collections, so grab that. And then I also found the 24 die cut journaling cards, and this is also My Mind's Eye, and I really just love the colors and it's just going to be really pretty to work with, and it was really a great price. So this is everything that's in this little package right here. Really, really cute, and it was only $1.49, so great price there. I did find some fall wood veneers, and these are made by Pebbles, and they were $1.99. Look at all those cute little critters, and I thought, how super cute. And this is all of the different critters that come in this little pack right here. Absolutely adorable. So this will be perfect for fall projects. And then I also found these printed cardstock shapes, and this is Pebbles brand. I was hoping to find the paper, but I did not get lucky, did not find any Halloween paper, well, in the Pebbles brand anyway. So hopefully I'll score maybe another time. I've been seeing lots of people hauling really fun Halloween items from Tuesday morning, but this one has a lot of really cute little ephemera pieces, so super cute and loving that. So can't wait to play with this, and that was $2.49. All right, moving along, I did find this Project Life, and it's a baby girl embossing folder. It has two embossing folders. It has this really tiny one right here, and it has these tiny little bows, and then on this one has the hearts, and this is what it looks like, and I can't wait to play with that. That will be really, really pretty, I think. And that was $1.99. Moving along, I did find some of these clips by Heidi Swapp, and these are just fun to add to projects, and those were $1.99. I found one paper pad, and this was by My Mind's Eye, and it was only $1.49. That's why I grabbed it. I thought, what a great price. And it is, you know, 24 sheets, and I think it's, yeah, it is double-sided. I can do a quick flip through. But look at how cute. It has bows and trees, and, you know, it's just a really pretty Christmas collection. And for $1.49, I couldn't pass up that price. This even has some type of foiling on it, which is pretty. So really great price and good find there. I found these Project Life die cut frames, and I figured this would be great for a fall project or camping theme project, and it was only $1.49. You can turn these frames into shakers, so that's why I picked this up. And my 3 boys, they love to be outdoors, they love to wakeboard, they love to fish, so I would like to create an album for them and possibly use some of these in it. So great find there. I found some Halloween goodies. I found these Halloween dies, and they create little shakers, little mason jar shakers. Look how super cute. So it has little pumpkins, and it has labels, a spider web, and even the mason jar. And I figured this would be really fun to put together for Halloween, but it looks like that up there. So super cute, and it was $2.49. I found this tag set right here, and this is another Halloween set, and it has the little pieces, the spiders in it, and it looks like they're stickers, and then you can stick it on the tag, the pre-made tag, and it says beware, and it comes with the twine. So really fun find there, and I'm sorry, hopefully this is focused. All right, moving along, I found these spider webs, and they come in silver, black, and white. And always use those for Halloween, and they were $2.99. That's American Crafts. I found these stickers right here, and they are 4th of July themed. It is by Pink Paisley, and I just thought these are really pretty, and they were only $1.49. So I picked up this sticker set, and it's front and back. So there's lots of fun stickers on here. And I really like these little sticker words. Super cute. I did find some thickers, and this is Dear Lizzie. This is the birthday themed. It's called Darling Details, and I just thought this was really fun. And I'm pretty sure I have this one, but I like picking it up when I see it because it's fun to use, and you can use it over and over again just because of the colors. Gold, pink, and teal are some of my favorite colors, so yeah, I went ahead and picked this up again. Super, super cute. And this is, you know, chipboard stickers, so fun find there. I did find these from the DIY shop, and they're just little flare buttons, and they were additional, I think 20% off, so I picked those up. I was lucky to find a couple of tools. I found the spring-loaded scissors, and I wanted to try these. And actually I was in Joann's not too long ago and saw some of these tools in Joann's at regular price. So I was really excited when I saw people hauling these tools at Tuesday morning, because it's obviously cheaper at Tuesday morning, because this says originally $9.99, and so at Tuesday morning it was $4.99. I was really looking for those stylus, embossing stylus, but none of the stores I went to had it, so maybe they'll get it this week. We'll see. But found that, and then I also found these detail scissors. They're really, really small, but these are actually probably really good for fussy cutting. Really small images, so that's why I picked these up, and they were only $1.99. So we'll see how those work, because I've never tried these. I do have the cutter bees, which I absolutely do love, but these ones are actually smaller in size, so that is why I picked those up. All right, moving along, I did pick up this, and this is by Teresa Collins, and it was only $1.99, but let me just kind of zoom out just a tad so you can kind of see. It's actually an album, and it looks like kind of like a flip book. Yeah, it is a flip book. That's what it says. It's a flip book. So I could create a flip book, and it has like the pages inside, and I just thought, how cool. And it's gold. So I thought that was really pretty, and it was only $2. So you get a smaller one and then a larger one, and you can, you know, decorate the pages on the inside for $2. I thought, wow, that's such a great price. So I want to play with that. I did find this Halloween paper pad right here. It's called Something Wicked by My Mind's Eye. I absolutely love this collection. I like all the patterns. And again, I was hoping to find some of the 12 by 12 paper by Pebbles, but didn't see it. But it has some glitter paper, some, you know, glitter and some accents on this. I love the skulls with the little glasses, super cute. Again, more glitter. This is a really fun paper pad, so if you find it, I would definitely pick this one up. Really cute pad. And how much was it? It was only $1.49. So I mean, you cannot beat that price, you guys, for paper. Especially My Mind's Eye. I actually really love My Mind's Eye paper. All right, moving along, I did find these pink Paisley Halloween stickers, and they actually are, they're cling labels, but obviously you can use them for whatever you want. So I picked these up for Halloween. I also found the thicker stickers, and they're called Monster, and they're glitter foam. So I picked up one set of those. I also picked up these goodie bags, and they're the food safe goodie bags by We Are Memory Keepers, and they work with that goodie bag tool. A lot of people hauled that tool a while back, and now they have the Glassine paper bags, and they have the Halloween print. So this is the back, but it comes with everything that you see up top, and it was $4.99. And I do have that Glassine tool bag maker, so I can play with it and maybe put some sugar cookies in there for Halloween. So super cute. You see all the little examples they have on the bag. Really, really fun. So I'm gonna play with this. And then last but not least, I found this really pretty paper kit by My Mind's Eye, and it's called Hooray, and it has like some rose gold foiling on the paper, and then it has all of these different sheets, and then it also comes with a sticker sheet, and this is what it looks like on the bottom. Super, super pretty, and I can't wait to play with this. It is double-sided. Those are the stickers. And it was only $2.49, you guys. So really great prices at Tuesday morning on these paper pads. Granted, you only get 6 sheets, but I mean, you can create lots of projects with only 6 sheets of double-sided paper. So I really, really love this paper pad. I think it's super pretty. So looking forward to playing with that. All right, so that concludes my Tuesday morning haul. Thanks for sticking with me. Please leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.